Better access to higher education will contribute to the nation as a whole.
We know that education is tied to development. It is one of the most powerful tools.
Higher education in Ghana, I see it as really providing the capabilities that Ghanaians need in order to improve the economy of the country. Higher education should go line in line with the economic development of the country. If we don't have a good higher education system, we cannot have a good economy.
The goal is to increase access, because currently we have a limited number of people at the tertiary level, about 12.1%, which is a challenge. There's something we call the annual participation rate. The annual participation rate is those between the ages of 18 to 25 who have access to tertiary education. In the West, it's over 50%.
Long-term vision for higher education in Ghana is to ensure that all Ghanaians who are capable and are willing to have higher education actually have it.
Industry have complained over and again that the education that we're giving to the graduates are not very much suited to the needs of industry and to the needs of society.
Try and bridge the gap between academia and industry.
There is a requirement to increase employability. There's a requirement to have a well-educated workforce. There's a requirement to have a well-educated nation to actually keep the pace of growth and to meet the demands of industry.
And we want to ensure that whilst we increase access, the programs are equally relevant.
As the economy grows and the type of industries you have in Ghana becomes more sophisticated, you need a higher trained workforce. So you need more graduates who can take up places in these industries and new sectors as they develop.
The long-term vision for higher education in Ghana is to provide graduates who will be academically sound, professionally competent, and also fit in the labor market of Ghana.
Building enough additional universities for Ghana would not be a practical solution for a country, simply because there are persistent problems. And when you build a traditional university, you are just going to add on to those problems. Basically, access is limited, in the current four walls of a university.
If you have to build new institutions, we have to build roughly about 17 new universities. And that is about one university campus every 2 or 3 months.
The brick and mortar model has not been able to address the core challenges: the challenge of access, challenge of flexibility, challenge of convenience, challenge of educational leadership, and the challenge of introducing creative and innovative